Hello, I'm Jeannette Koczela, founder and president of the International Association of Professional Life Coaches. And today I want to walk you through a demonstration on how you can create a media kit for your business using one of the wonderful templates that Canva free version has. And we'll just walk through each of the steps, and by the end of this, you should have your own media kit ready to put on your website. So let's go to my computer and we'll get started. So once you're in Canva, what you want to do is type in media kit templates, and you're going to see all these templates. So you just want to go through and check each one out. Some of them have several pages. So if you mouse over, you'll see the pages. Some of them are just one page. And so you can just click on it and take a closer look, see what they have. And so the other thing is, if there's a crown, then that means that you have to pay for it. But there are enough free ones that you don't really need to pay for any. So I have looked through here and I decided that I wanted to use this one. So we're going to take a look at this one. And what we're going to do is just come in here and fill everything in. So you can change the fonts if you want to, and even the colors. So the first thing I want to do is change to my branding colors. So you can have 3 branding colors for your free account. We'll make this one that color also. And just in case I'm using the second page, I'll go ahead and brand the colors right now. And then you want to put your name in. And your picture. So if you have one, then you can scroll for it. If you don't have one, then you just click uploads and upload your picture. So here's my picture that I want to use, and I'm going to put it in there. And you can fool around with the size if you want, and then fill in your details. Also, now this one has statistics. If you have impressive statistics, you may want to fill these in. If you don't, you can just eliminate them and keep the background, make that a little smaller just as a decorative thing. And you could put things like your credentials. I have some that I've uploaded, put them here. This one is an extra one. So you want to make sure that you have things in the right position. So you can just resize things, change the font up here to whatever font you want. And so that's basically how you do it. Here is a place for testimonials. You may want to do testimonials in there. Here you can list your packages or like your availability. Do you do guest posts? If so, guest posting or guest speaking, podcasting, that kind of thing. You can put another picture in here if you want, and then of course fill in your contact details. So I played around a little bit with this and added some of my own information. So I just wanted to show you a couple other things that you can do. For one thing, once I have all these in place, I like the little check marks. I'm going to go up and make this a group, and then I can move the whole thing around a little bit, which is kind of nice. And what I want to do is move this down a little so that I can add a little something to my credentials. And we're going to do that right here. Oh, and the other thing you can do is I'd like to make these lines closer together. So you go up here to spacing, and you can do letter spacing or line spacing. So I'm going to make the line spacing. You just do it by eye, mainly. I'm going to make it 1.4. That's better, and then I can move it down a little bit. So you see how you can just play around with this. And maybe now I can move this back up a little bit. So I went ahead and made up my media kit pages. And so here you can see I put my logo at the top, my mini bio here, what I do. Here's the certifications I have, work history, and personal successes here, and of course these icons. And then on this page, what I did was put topics that I can write guest posts about, guest blog posts, and topics for guest podcasts. These are talks that I already have. I put a link to my lead magnet here, and I put a link to my affiliate program because I will probably be sending this out to potential affiliates. And here I have some testimonials. I didn't want another picture of me on here, so I just put a photo of something that suggests business. And then my contact information. One thing I should show you is if you want to link something and it's not linked. So for instance, let's try this. You just go up to these three dots, more, and click on the link, and then you'll just add the link here. So that's how I linked my website and these links here. So that's basically how you create a media kit in Canva. Well, thanks for listening, and I hope this training has been helpful for you.